Hey, it's Andre, and it's time to get in and do a quick little bench session with the Defiant Renegade. Basically, some new ESCs, which I've already started putting them in. These are little SPEDIX, EC200s, and as well I have a UBEC. So all 5-volt power will be supplied to the TBS Nano receiver that's inside there already, and then I will split off the UBEC and power the little micro FPV transmitter and nano camera. In one of my posts, I laughed because I basically was complaining at, why can't we just standardize these connectors? Because I'm going to have to sacrifice these connectors, which means soldering together, putting on some heat shrink and so forth, when it could have been just straight through. The only thing I'm going to have to extend here is power, because I'm going to again come off the back after the ring, so I minimize any kind of interference. So the first process is going to be to wire the ESCs, the back for power, off the 2S batteries that I fly with. So pretty simple. All right, it's getting there. It's a little cleaner, a little nicer. I have a 50-50 chance of getting the orientation right on the motors. So the only way to find out is to try it, fire up the controls, and go from there. Power, telemetry recovered, and nice, great. Nice. Woohoo! Cool. What are the odds of that actually happening, hey? Both of them soldered up correctly the first time. That's pretty sweet. Good. We have video. Nice thing about hot glue is with a little denaturalized alcohol, you can pop anything off. So it makes makes it really easy to do stuff like this and not have it permanent. That's how I extracted all the old ESC hardware. Dab glue here. Look at that. That's awesome. Last thing to do is to glue the UBEC in place. I'm gonna put that. If a battery sits forward. Nice, 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 nice. That handles really well. Cool. Okay, let's try some throttle tests. And no breakup on the FPV, see just a bit of a prop, which I like. I like the fact I see the nose and everything. Ah, it's sub 250 grams. Awesome. Hey, it's Andre, and that was a quick little upgrade session on the Defiant Renegade. Replaced those Afro 12 amp ESCs that have been giving me all kinds of trouble and put in some little 20 amp suckers. They are quite tiny and very capable. Got super lucky on the wiring job. Didn't even have to do any repeat wiring to the motor to ESCs. Dumped in a dedicated 5-volt back, and obviously that's a TBS Nano, and using up all the channels. So you've got individual channels for each motor, ailerons, elevator, and power. And the way I route it, the FPV system, which has also been upgraded, goes through the back, and as you saw in the run-ups, completely stable. Previously I was running a little 1S system, so this is going to give me a lot more capacity, and obviously just a really nice view. All I've done is glued the camera on there. I might dig it into the foam to give it a little bit more stability, or stick something behind so if it doesn't, take a whack or anything. But if I land upside down, the props, in all honesty, should protect the camera and everything. So we'll see what I do. Anyhow, I am super happy, and this has got to be one of my favorite FPV ships. Sub 250 grams still, as you saw in the weight check. So it is, as far as I'm concerned, perfect. Absolutely perfect. I'm Andre, Defiant Renegade. Thanks for watching.